Hey folks, I want to share with you how I personally do keyword research on YouTube and how I use it to basically make money because the more successful of a video that you make on YouTube, the more views it's going to get, the more money it's going to make, and the more you'll grow your subscriber base. And overall, that's just going to basically help you make money online through YouTube. Now, I've made about 40,000 through YouTube, and some of my income stats can be seen over here. And most of these actually come from blogging, but about 20 to 30% of them actually come from YouTube. And there are 5 specific steps that I personally follow to find keywords on YouTube to then make videos on that then have a greater chance of doing well. And these are the 5 steps. First step is find a popular niche or trending subject, then research keywords on that niche or trending subjects on YouTube so you see if it's popular. Then you basically find 5 to 10 keywords on YouTube using a thing called the alphabet soup technique. And then after that is you want to create the actual YouTube video, a good thumbnail, this is very important, and then add a good title so you can get more exposure for that video. And then you basically rinse and repeat with step 5 and then just basically make more videos repeating these same steps. So I'm going to show you in a moment how this actually works so you can use it for your own example. It's fairly easy to use. It's going to take some time and repetition. It definitely took me some time and repetition to do, but at the same time, if you apply it, if you keep rinsing and repeating it, you will get better with it. And let's just start with step 1 so I'll show you how that works. The first step is find a popular niche or trending subject. I personally recommend that you have YouTube videos and a YouTube channel in general that is focused on a niche subject that you know a lot about, that's popular, and that you love, okay? These 3 things are very, very important. So for me personally, if we use myself as an example, I love martial arts, I love affiliate marketing. Those are 2 subjects that are popular. I know a lot about them, and I'm very passionate about them. So that I can go with a channel that either focuses on martial arts or on affiliate marketing, okay? So for you, your list is probably going to be different than mine, but find one of those niche subjects. Just one that's popular, that you know a lot about, and that you love. What's important about that particular step is that if you do this correctly, the keyword research is like 50% done from there, because if you already select a popular subject, the viewers are already there. So making the videos is going to be that much easier. So number 2 is research keywords on the existing YouTube videos on the subject. So what you're going to want to do after you find your niche is go on YouTube, type in the keyword for that niche, look at the videos, and see how popular they are. So for example, if I head over to YouTube and I type in something like affiliate marketing, these options come up for me, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to choose the first one. And I'm going to look through these videos and I'm just going to see how many views these ones get. Look at this, over 300,000, over 44,000, 14K. The point is, I see that this is a popular niche, that there's other people in this business making nice viral videos, and I know that it's a profitable niche for myself. You're just going to want to do this with the niche that you choose, because this is also great for keyword research. For example, I see that a keyword here is like affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners 2020. That's a good keyword, and I can start thinking about the titles that these people use as well as the thumbnails these people use. So when it comes time for me to make my own videos, I can kind of use this as an example. You're not going to want to copy anyone's videos and content. That's illegal, but just use these ideas to make even better ideas. That's what I'm basically talking about here. The next thing that I want to talk about is a technique known as the alphabet soup technique. Now, this is an awesome way to find keywords on YouTube. And what you're basically going to want to do is type in the name in the search box of YouTube of whatever your niche is, and then after that type in the letter A, and then go to B, C, D, and so on and so forth. That's the alphabet, okay? So let me show you how that looks. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to type in affiliate marketing A. Now see, it says Amazon, ads tutorial, and what I'm going to want to do is see which of these subjects I actually know a lot about. And remember, one of the key components in the first step was knowing your niche, because if you don't know your own niche and you start trying to make videos on this kind of stuff that you don't know shit about, you're going to make horrible quality videos and you're never going to be successful. The people that are successful are those that create videos and content on stuff that they know and that they love, okay? Very important to understand. So I know a lot about affiliate marketing on Amazon. I know about article writing. So there's 2 keywords right there. So for example, I can make a video that says how to do affiliate marketing on Amazon step by step, or I can do how to write an article on affiliate marketing. That's another thing I can do. And then if I go to B, for example, see, this is other things I can do. I can Bing ads, affiliate marketing Bing ads. In fact, one of my videos is actually number 1 for this, and I've gotten over 13,000 views for this. Now, not all of my videos are crazy on this and crazy popular or those kinds of things, but that particular video has made me a lot of sales for what I've been trying to do, which is affiliate marketing. Point being is I've applied the alphabet soup technique, and it's a great way to find countless keywords on YouTube, okay? Now, moving on to the fourth step. Create a YouTube video, a good thumbnail, and include the keyword in the thumbnail and in the title. So one thing I find that's very, very frustrating, and I used to make this mistake when I was a beginner in the content creation world, is that if you find a keyword that's profitable, like how to do affiliate marketing, or just how to do affiliate marketing, what people would do is, whether it was for a blog, YouTube channel, it didn't matter. They would just put that in the title, how to do affiliate marketing, and then they would make a crappy thumbnail that said the same thing. That is not going to work these days. You want to make a very good thumbnail, and you want to make a great title. So instead of doing like how to do affiliate marketing, you want to spice it up a little bit. Make it something like how to do affiliate marketing for beginners in 2020. And again, if you look at some of the research that I was doing in the prior thing, I was looking at other people's videos. Look at this, affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners 2020, step by step. So my title is going to be a little bit different, and my video is obviously going to be my own, with my own unique content and with my own thumbnail. But I can see how dressing up a title like the way that guy just did, that I just showed you, made his video much more popular. So I'm going to want to use those ideas. Dress up the title, make it a little bit better than the keyword that you find, and also make your thumbnail better. So for example, let me just scroll down over here and show you something. So a lot of times when I started this in the beginning, I used to make thumbnails like this. In fact, if you go through my history, you'll probably see that for yourself. And going from this kind of thumbnail on my YouTube video to something like this is a completely different story. Like, look how much better this is. It may not get all of the views, but it'll get 100 times more views than this ever will. So know how to do thumbnails, and I will be doing a tutorial on that in the future. So that's another very important thing to understand, because the keywords that you're going to want to use should also be in the thumbnail. Now, it's not going to, register with YouTube's algorithm, but it is going to be easier for people to see when they browse through the different kinds of videos that you're trying to put up and the keywords that you're trying to rank for. And the more clicks you get, the more likes you get, is going to help boost that video's rank up. That's a very important thing to understand. And step 5, like I said before, is basically rinsing and repeating the whole thing. Now, this is a practice that you're going to want to repeat again and again and again. Make multiple videos. Do not expect all of your videos to be very good, or for that matter, get a lot of views. Maybe 1 in 10 videos in the beginning are going to get a lot of views, and then as you get better at creating videos, creating thumbnails, and finding better keywords, the better you're going to get at creating videos that are much more popular, get more views, and so on and so forth. You don't need to use any keyword tool for that kind of stuff. I find that to be a distraction, but if you use these techniques, you should be able to do fairly well. The last thing that I just want to say is that with this technique that I just showed you, you can find countless keywords, and the more keywords that you find, the more videos that you can make, and the more videos that you can make, the more your YouTube channel is going to grow, and the more profitable you're going to be in general. So that's a very important thing to understand. And for me personally, I do affiliate marketing through YouTube, and if that's something that you're interested in, or you want to get more details on this particular subject that I was just talking about, which is keyword research in YouTube, click on the link below this video and you'll be able to see this particular article, which explains all this stuff in detail. And I highly recommend that if you're serious about creating good YouTube videos that get views. With that said, thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope it's helped clarify how to find keywords, and on YouTube specifically. And if there's any questions that you have, you're more than welcome to leave it below this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great one.